Ever find yourself struggling to concentrate on the task at hand? If so, you're not alone. In our modern world, distractions are plentiful and our attention is constantly being pulled in a myriad of directions. But what if I told you that there's a way to reclaim your focus and boost your productivity? The answer lies in harnessing the power of focused attention. Focused attention isn't just about getting more done, although that's certainly one of its benefits. It's about living more fully in the present moment, about truly engaging with our lives in a meaningful way. It's about honing our ability to direct our mental energy towards a single point of focus, allowing us to dive deeper into our tasks, our relationships, and even our own thoughts and feelings. Imagine for a moment a spotlight on a dark stage. That spotlight represents your focused attention. Whatever it shines on becomes clearer, more vivid, more real. When we can control this spotlight, we can truly engage with whatever we choose, whether it's a complex work project, a conversation with a loved one, or a stunning sunset unfolding before our eyes. The benefits of focused attention extend beyond the immediate moment too. By training our minds to focus, we can enhance our creativity, sparking new ideas and solutions that might have eluded us in a more distracted state. We can also improve our mental health, as focused attention can help us to manage stress, reduce anxiety, and cultivate a more peaceful state of mind. But how can we harness this power? It's not as elusive as it might seem. Through practices like meditation, mindfulness, and certain cognitive techniques, we can train our minds to focus more effectively, enhancing our productivity, our creativity, and our overall well-being. Harnessing the power of focused attention can truly transform your life. It's not a quick fix or magic bullet, but with practice and patience, it's a skill that anyone can develop. So are you ready to reclaim your focus and start living more fully in the present moment? But what's happening in our brains when we focus our attention? Well, it's all about the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for higher cognitive functions such as decision-making, problem-solving, and yes, attention. In fact, it's often referred to as the CEO of the brain because it's in charge of regulating our thoughts and actions. When we're focused, the prefrontal cortex is hard at work, directing our attention to a specific task and filtering out irrelevant information. It's like a spotlight that illuminates what we need to concentrate on and dims the surrounding noise and distractions. But in our modern world, this spotlight is under constant attack from a barrage of distractions, especially technology. Our smartphones, tablets, and computers are always within reach, constantly pinging and flashing with notifications. It's as if we're in a never-ending game of whack-a-mole, with our attention being the mole. This bombardment can lead to what scientists call attentional blink, a short period where our brains are so overwhelmed that we literally can't see the things right in front of us. It's like our prefrontal cortex is momentarily stunned, unable to direct the spotlight of our attention. And then there's multitasking. While we might think we're being more productive by doing two things at once, research shows that our brains aren't really built for multitasking. Instead, we're actually rapidly switching our attention back and forth between tasks, which can lead to mistakes and actually slow us down. But there's good news. Just like a muscle, the prefrontal cortex can be trained and strengthened. Activities that require focused attention, like reading a book, playing a musical instrument, or even juggling, can help. And of course, there's meditation, a practice that has been shown to literally reshape the brain and improve our ability to focus. Understanding this science can empower us to take control of our attention. So, let's explore how we can harness this power to improve our ability to focus in the next scene. One powerful tool for improving focused attention is meditation. Let's take a moment to explore this idea. At its core, meditation is a practice of focusing the mind. It's a workout for your brain, much like lifting weights is for your body. But instead of building muscle mass, you're fine-tuning the brain's attentional control. Meditation helps train the brain to focus and ignore distractions. It's like training a puppy. When you first bring a puppy home, it's all over the place. It's easily distracted by every new sound, smell, or shiny object. But with consistent training over time, the puppy learns to sit, stay, and focus. Similarly, our brains are like that puppy. They're easily distracted, but with consistent practice, we can train our brains to be more focused. Now, what does the science say about this? Well, research has shown that meditation can indeed improve our ability to focus. A study conducted at the University of California found that after just 2 to 3 months of meditation training, participants showed significant improvement in their attention span. They were able to stay focused on tasks for longer periods, and they were less likely to be distracted. Another study published in the Journal of Neuroscience revealed that regular meditation can change the structure of the brain. It can increase the thickness of the prefrontal cortex, a part of the brain responsible for attention and focus. But it's not just about the science. You can experience the benefits of meditation for yourself. Try meditating for even just 5 minutes a day and see how it affects your ability to focus. You might be surprised at how much sharper and more focused your mind can become. So what's the takeaway here? Meditation isn't just a tool for relaxation or stress relief. It's a powerful technique for training your brain and improving your focused attention. Meditation is not just for relaxation, it's a workout for your brain. So how can you start improving your focused attention today? Well, the journey to a more focused mind begins with the first step, and that step can be as simple as breaking tasks into manageable chunks. Imagine you're about to climb a mountain. You wouldn't attempt to reach the summit in a single bound, would you? Just like climbing a mountain, tackling a large task requires taking it one step at a time. This approach not only makes the task less daunting, but also allows for moments of rest and reflection. Speaking of rest, taking regular breaks is another effective strategy for maintaining focused attention. The human brain, like any other muscle, tires out with constant use. Regular breaks refresh your mind, making it easier to maintain focus when you return to the task at hand. You can experiment with different break durations and frequencies to find what works best for you. Some people swear by the Pomodoro technique, which suggests working for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. Others may find that longer periods of focused attention followed by longer breaks work better. Now, let's talk about mindfulness. Despite its roots in ancient Buddhist meditation, mindfulness is not about achieving some mystical state of consciousness. Rather, it's about being fully present in the moment, paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Practicing mindfulness can help you become more aware of when your attention wanders and develop the skills to gently bring it back. It's like training a puppy. When a puppy wanders off, you gently guide it back. Over time, the puppy learns to stay. Similarly, your attention learns to stay focused. Creating a distraction-free environment is also crucial for improving focused attention. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. From the pings of social media notifications to the buzz of a busy coffee shop, it's easy to get pulled away from what you're trying to focus on. While it's not always possible to eliminate all distractions, there are steps you can take to minimize them. For example, turning off notifications on your devices, choosing a quiet place to work, or using noise-canceling headphones can all help create an environment conducive to focused attention. Finally, remember that improving focused attention is a journey, not a destination. It's something you work on every day, not something you achieve once and then forget about. Like any skill, it takes practice and patience, but the rewards are worth it. A focused mind is not only more productive, but also more present, able to fully engage with the world around it. These simple strategies can make a big difference in your ability to focus. Ready to take your focused attention to the next level? Let's dive into some advanced techniques that can help you do just that. First up, visualization. This technique is as simple as it sounds, yet incredibly powerful. Close your eyes and imagine a serene environment. It could be a calm beach, a tranquil forest, or a peaceful mountaintop. The key is to visualize this scene in as much detail as you can. The color of the sky, the sound of the waves, the scent of the trees. This practice not only boosts your concentration, but also enhances your ability to stay focused on a single task for extended periods. Next, let's talk about brain training exercises. These are tasks designed specifically to challenge your brain and improve your cognitive abilities. One such exercise is the dual N-back. In this game, you have to remember a sequence of spatial locations and letters. It's a tough one, but it's been scientifically proven to improve working memory and attention. Now you might wonder, what about physical exercises? Certain types of yoga and martial arts are fantastic for improving focused attention. Take Tai Chi, for example, a martial art known for its slow, controlled movements and deep breathing. It requires a high level of focus and concentration, making it an excellent practice for enhancing your attention skills. Or consider yoga, where each pose is held with intention and awareness. The focus on breath and body alignment helps to quiet the mind, allowing for a deeper level of concentration. But remember, these techniques are not magic pills. You won't see improvements overnight. It's a journey that requires patience, practice, and dedication. Whether you choose to explore visualization, brain training, or physical disciplines like Tai Chi or yoga, the key is consistency. With regular practice, these techniques can help you build an incredible level of focused attention. With practice and dedication, you can significantly enhance your focused attention. In a world full of distractions, focused attention is a powerful skill. We've journeyed together through the fascinating power that focused attention holds. We've delved into the science behind it, understanding how our brains can be trained to filter out noise and concentrate on what truly matters. We've discovered the transformative role of meditation in fostering focused attention, guiding the mind towards tranquility and clarity. We've shared practical tips to enhance this skill, from mindful breathing to digital detoxification. And for those who are ready to take it to the next level, we've explored advanced techniques that can catapult your focus to new heights. These tools and insights are at your fingertips, ready to be integrated into your daily life. The journey to better focus is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires commitment, patience, and consistency. So take your time, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the process. Your path to sharper focus and greater productivity is well underway.